Why online video is the future of content marketing. Would you be reading this post or viewing it 5 years from now? It's a fascinating subject to consider as online video's meteoric rise continues. The material you generate and distribute has the power to secure your success. Which is why each professional content marketer's ultimate goal is to publish compelling and original content. To stay on top of the game, it's crucial to keep up with current trends and statistics. Consider this: 90% of customers say video content makes it easier to make a purchasing choice. Which is one of the main reasons why marketers believe video marketing will be the future of content marketing. People have been engaging with more digital content than ever before since the coronavirus pandemic. Video material, when done correctly, may help you stand out from the crowd. Let's have a look at why we believe that. Video enhances memorability of your content. Video was the most popular form of media in 2019. According to everyone's content strategy, it's a lot simpler to recollect the contents of a blog post you looked through than it is to remember the intricacies of a compelling video commercial you saw a long time ago. Simply put, visual context is simpler to recall. The beauty of video content is that it allows you to express yourself. You don't have to confine yourself to one platform, one topic, or one goal for your videos. Use them in any way that would help your brand succeed, regardless of the type of company you run. Your digital marketing approach has a significant impact on the products or services you provide, as well as your target audience. The beauty of video content is that it allows you to express yourself. You don't have to confine yourself to one platform, one topic, or one goal for your videos. Use them in any way that would help your brand succeed. Learn more at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com.